Hello everyone. So as you can see, I've got my GoPro 7, my GoPro 8, and now my GoPro Max in front of us. I had just recently purchased the GoPro 8, if you've been watching the channel. I didn't get a chance to talk about why I got the 8 yet, so I figured what I would do is I'd unbox the Max, and then in the next video in this series, what we'll do is we'll talk about why I still plan on using the 7, the 8, and now the GoPro Max, and talk about some of the pros and the cons to each one of them, and how I plan on using them. But in the meantime, what we're going to do in this video is we are going to unbox the GoPro Max and see what is included when you do purchase the Max. So let's start with the bottom here, and got a little pull tag here. Take that. Those guys should just come right out. There we go, perfect. Before I go too much further, one of the reasons that I decided to pull the trigger on the Max was just recently GoPro had an amazing deal where basically the GoPro Max was about $200 off, so I couldn't say no. So that's basically how everything started. So let's go ahead and take a closer look and see what's inside here. So we've got the USB-C charging cable. Looks like it's gonna be pretty standard. We've got the curve, got the battery. We have the caps, which I'm so glad that they included the caps for the camera lenses, both of them. Then we've got a bag. And inside the bag here, we have some lens covers. So like when we're going to be a little bit more dangerous, we probably want to put those on. But they could possibly distort the vision. So we just got to be careful with what we use on that. We've got all the documentation here. Let's see if there's anything else. Got a couple more things. Lovely. All right, and then we have the GoPro itself, and just lift up on the back here, push together, and take out the GoPro. There we go. So that is all is included with your list price $500 camera. So just give me a moment here, and we'll go ahead and get cleaned up, and we can talk a little bit more. All right, so basically in front of you is everything that is included when you do purchase the GoPro, GoPro Max, I should say. So we do have the camera itself. We have the eye protectors for when we're doing some more high-octane action that's not underwater. We've got the lens caps themselves, the USB-C cable, the battery, and also the curved clip. So that's basically all you get. But there are some nice things that it did come with, like the bag itself. And what we'll do is in a future video, we will be, I'm going to spend some time with the Max as well as some more time with the 8, talking about why I have all three and what the purpose they serve for me in my shooting. So what we'll do is we'll take it from there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below, specifically, about what comes with the Max or the 8. And if you're interested in this type of content, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. We do lots of things that professional geeks might find interesting. So right now, as you can see, I'm on a GoPro kick. We do a lot of things with Star Wars, especially when it comes to like the Black Series. We also do a lot of things with drones and yeah, and especially home automation as well. So with that, if you're interested, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.